Student Information System is a type of educational management system that uses to manage the data and information of students. Most of the time, it is web-based application software designed to introduce a conducive and structured information exchange environment for integrating students, parents, teachers and the administration. The users of this information are mostly consist of the students and administration of the universities and colleges. The main function of this system introduced to us is to provide a perfect record of student information and data without any paperwork or mistake. Time for filling and recording the data of the information students in paperwork is low. The data of students may be lost due to any causes include fire case, accidents. It is difficult for students, teachers, lecturers, administration of university or colleges to access their data. It is not easy to update and search data in paperwork. The purpose of introduce this is data of students can be accessed easily. Data of students can be managed easily by administrator. Student can update their own information easily. This ensure data integrity, privacy, and security of student data and information. There is a need to improve the record-keeping system of the student information. Therefore, a new system called Student Information System is introduced to replace the old system, and it seems like providing a better performance compared to last time. The new SIS records students' data more effectively and efficiently, decreasing the confusion and problems of mixing data and information among all the students. According to the journal, there is a proposed work that give a suggestion to implement a timetable with layer structured into the student information system. The features include subject, classroom, time, curriculum, lecturer, student. It is also easier to classify the time and reduce the overlap of each features and structures. The journal proposed a student annual review information system to manage and predict the success of the students to the China Scholarship Council. It could save the loss of paper, to reduce the risk of data loss, to decrease the processing time, to reduce the delay in finding for the successful students. The predict result can be created in dataset format. The journal proposed the design mechanism of a student information system. It uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and SQP technologies. We choose Server Multimedia System, one of the real-time multimedia architecture for our system. It is a layered architecture where the lower layer provides services that are utilized by higher layers to perform their function. Server Multimedia System consists of both storage subsystem and networked subsystem in levels. This is the overview of technologies used. XAMPP is a small and light Apache distribution containing the most common web development technologies in a single package. The package includes software we need to design the student information system such as PHP-MyAdmin, Apache HTTP server. Its contents are small in size and portable, making it the ideal tool for applications in PHP and MySQL. The student information's data are stored and managed using relational database management system concepts. Structure query language programming language is chosen to realize this concept. The database file is saved as SQL Server table. MySQL database is used which can interact with PHP-MyAdmin to make the application, the student portal website. Main reason to use MySQL is backup and accessibility of the data. The database can be accessed with MySQL account at any device. Besides, it is an industry standard but very cheap. RDBMS concepts stores data in tables. Tables are organized into columns, and each column stores one type of data. The data for a student is stored in a row of the table. Each table has an identifier, key. For example, the key of the previous table is info. The data of each student is categorized into multiple keys for faster search and management. Students' data are categorized into info, academic, co-curriculum and other. Each student is identified by their ID. For example, data of program taken by Saiful bin Ali Idaho equals 121145 is to be searched and obtained. The way of searching is as followed. Step 1. Info table is opened. Step 2. Row 121145 is searched. Step 3. Program column is searched. Step 4. The information of the intersected region is obtained. So, we can know that the program taken by Saiful bin Ali Idaho equals 121145 is electronic engineering. The data to be updated is searched the same way as obtaining information. Then, the data can be modified by the user. However, students only allowed to update information like residential address and phone number. Admin of the system could update all of the information in the tables. Besides, the admin could insert new row student and delete any data. The operations is supported by SQL statements in the application. This is the example of SQL statements. This is the data flow diagram. These layers are realized by using Apache HTTP server. It is a web server software. Since the website hosting is done using our own device which is PowerEdge R220 RAX server, the server and networking controls and configurations is done by using it. The student portal, website of the student information system is designed using FME admin. It can interact with MySQL database easily. It offers a visual GUI for database operations and also able to run command line SQL. The interface design for student information system. This is the home page, index page for site. The link is only allow admin or staff login. The link will allow student login. This is the student login page. Before login the student account, new student must sign up a new account. This is the registration page where students can register online. Student should fill in the personal information. Then student must use the student ID provided by university admin and create a password. Student also can upload their profile picture. After successful registration, the student account needs to be first enabled by the administrator. The students can then log into their accounts with the ID and password they choose during registration. If login successful, the following alert message will appear. If login unsuccessful, another alert message to indicate and allowed to retry is given. After logging in the student login page, the student can view their profile. Their name, student ID and university email will shown in student profile page. These links shown their personal information, academic transcript and co-curriculum. Student have the option to change their password. The link display the course registration information that can let student register their course. The link display the information of billing academic fee of students. After the students click the personal information link, they can view their personal information in this page. Students also have the option to change their profile picture. After the students click the academic transcript link, they can view their course registered before and academic result in this page. Students have the option to choose their academic result by different semester. The hardware needed for the system is PowerEdge R220 rack server. Table below outlines the specification of the PowerEdge R220 rack server. Table below outlines the tools and technologies Dell offers to help you achieve your data center goals by lowering power consumption and increasing energy efficiency. Reasons to use the hardware are: it has exceptional versatility, quiet and compact design, and easy to deploy and manage. The PowerEdge R221U rack server is an excellent choice for growing businesses and organizations needing a short-depth rack-optimized chassis delivering performance, data protection and enterprise-class systems management. The R220 is ideal for web hosting, mail serving, file and print serving, video streaming, as well as a wide range of general-purpose productivity applications, and with a short chassis depth of 15.5 inches and quiet office acoustics, you can install it virtually anywhere. The low power consumption and high energy efficiency make this R220 suitable for multimedia system. The cost of the PowerEdge R220 is 2,300 ringgit only. The power consumption of the device is only 250 watt, which is 180 kilowatt-hour. The total hardware and software cost is about 2,800 ringgit only. The electric bill of the device is only about 40 ringgit per month. Since the website is hosted by our own device, cost for hosting the website is only the electric bill of the device, that is 40 ringgit per month. This student information system expected can manage the number of the students up to 100,000 or more. The school administration can handle the student information easily, especially when new students coming in. It will improve the user experience and reduce the overhead cost and human errors. The system is economic sustainable because of the low cost of the device and maintenance. The system is environmental sustainable because the system only consume little total energy consumption. Work distribution. Reference